Hello and welcome. Welcome to back to my YouTube channel. Now today's lectures we have learned the points molecular orbital theory. In these topics now we are going to discuss the points molecular orbital diagrams of carbon monoxide for the heteronuclear diatomic molecules. In carbon monoxide molecules which is made from the atoms like carbon and oxygen. Therefore, the electronic configurations of each atoms like carbon and oxygens are here like carbons having 6 electrons, so can fill up like 1s2, 3s2 and 2p2, and oxygen they will have 8 electrons. So electronic configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p4, and hence the carbon monoxide molecules can made from the 14 electrons. But we observe that in heteronuclear diatomic molecules, one of the atoms they will shows more electronegative than others. Similarly, the carbon monoxide molecules, the oxygen atom being more electronegative than carbon, and hence it attracts the bonding electrons with greater pull, and therefore the bonding electrons spend greater proportion of their time in the region of the oxygen nucleus, because oxygen is more electronegative and therefore it pulled the electrons toward itself. But for linear combination of atomic orbitals in molecular orbitals theory by carbon monoxide molecules can be written as like the bonding molecular orbitals are the psi b is equal to x of psi c plus y of psi o, and antibonding molecular orbitals can write as psi a is equal to y of psi a minus x of psi o, where this y is greater than x. But you know that bonding molecular orbitals in carbon monoxide molecules they resemble atomic orbitals of the oxygen atom, which is more than those of carbon atoms. And antibonding molecular orbitals resemble the atomic orbitals of carbon atom is more than oxygen atoms. For these statements, we can construct the molecular orbital diagrams for the carbon monoxide molecules using these three important points. First one, the atomic orbitals of oxygen, they should have possesses lower energy as compared to those of carbon atom, because we have see the oxygen atom which is more electronegative than carbon. Oxygen being more electronegative than carbon, and therefore separation between the 2s and 2p atomic orbitals of oxygen will be greater difference than the separation of 2s and 2p atomic orbitals of carbon. Why? It is observed because the carbon is less electronegative than oxygen atom. And therefore, electronic configuration of the molecules can be made as like the capital KK as a penultimate cell, sigma 2H2, sigma star 2H2, sigma 2PZ2, pi 2PX2 is having a equal energy to pi 2PY2. So those molecules we can made from the atomic orbitals of the carbons. Now we have see the molecular orbital diagrams for those carbon monoxide molecules. Like this is atomic orbitals of carbon which on left hand sides, and atomic orbital of oxygen, which can write on right sides, and middle parts, they form the molecular orbitals of carbon monoxide. So first penultimate cells, we can write the electronic configuration as like 1s2 of the carbons, 1s2 of the oxygen, secondly the 2s2 of the carbons and 2s2 for oxygen. But is 2s2 of oxygen and 2s2 of carbons and 2s2 of oxygens, they will have the large difference because oxygen is a more electronegative. Therefore, this 2s2 of oxygen will be have lower energy than 2s2 orbitals of the carbons. Similarly, the 2p orbitals of carbons, 2p orbitals of carbons, they will have also lower energy than the 2p orbitals of oxygen atoms. Now, fill the electrons according to Hund's maximum multiplicity. Therefore, can fill up the electrons of carbons are like this 1s2, 2s2, and this is a 2p2 as a 2py and 2pz2. Similarly, the atomic orbitals, they can fill up the electrons like this 1s2, 2s2, then 2px2, 2py2, and 2pz2. So from these atomic orbitals of carbon and oxygen, which can combine and to get molecular orbitals of carbon monoxide as like this. First is 1s orbitals of carbon and oxygen. They are non-bonding orbitals which are not take part in this formation of the molecules. But 2s2 and 2s2 orbitals of carbon and oxygens which can combine and to get molecular orbitals as like the sigma 2s2 and sigma star 2s2 molecular orbital. Similarly, the 2p orbitals of carbons and 2p orbitals of oxygen which can combine the electrons are here and to get these bonding molecular orbitals like a sigma 2pz, bonding molecular orbitals like a pi 2px and pi 2py molecular orbitals. Therefore, these carbon monoxide molecules to form, this is sigma 2s2, sigma 2pz, pi 2px, and pi 2py as the bonding molecular orbitals, and sigma star 2s is a antibonding molecular orbitals. From these bonding and antibonding molecular orbitals, we can find out the bond order of carbon monoxide molecule. Now bond order we can calculate as the formula using 1/2 in bracket Nb minus Na. Nb means bonding and Na is anti-bonding molecular orbitals. So from diagrams we are clearly shows that, so how many bonding molecular orbitals electrons, bonding means this is 2, 4, 6 and 8. 8 is a bonding molecular orbitals and only 2 they will have anti-bonding molecular orbitals, and therefore so this is bonding is a 8 minus anti-bonding 2. For this calculation is equal to 3. So bond order of carbon monoxide which is found to be 3. The bond order of carbon monoxides, they indicate the triple bond between the carbon and oxygen atom. But out of these 3 bonds, one is a sigma bonds and other 2 is a pi bonds. And hence, the molecules is expected which is quite stable, having the bond energy is 1072 kilojoule per mole. Now we have the magnetic behavior of those molecules. All electrons get pairs, right? Or from these diagrams, we observe that all electrons are pairs and therefore the molecules can show diamagnetic in nature. But when carbon monoxide molecules is ionized and to use a CO plus molecules by removing the one electrons from one of its pi orbitals, then the bond order gets reduced to 2.5. Therefore, the bond order can carbonyl cations like CO plus is equal to 1 half Nb minus Na is equal to this one of these electrons can remove minus 2 is equal to 2.5, means it is reduce the bond order of the CO plus ion. This reduce the bond order for the CO plus ion. We suggest that the lengthening of bond between carbon and oxygen can take place in CO plus ion molecules. But however, the bond length of CO plus ions, which is found to be 111 picometer, and can decreases as compared to the bond length of carbon monoxide is 113 picometer and CO plus ion is 111 picometer. Means the shrinkage of the bond length in CO plus can only be explained if the electrons can remove from carbon monoxide molecules. This formation of CO plus ions, which comes either from antibonding molecular orbitals or from non-bonding molecular orbitals, means this one of the electrons can get removed from which orbitals like antibonding molecular orbitals or from non-bonding molecular orbitals, and therefore this confusion of ours is corrected by using molecular orbital diagrams for carbon monoxide molecules. Therefore, the molecular orbital diagram can be constructed by allowing the hybridization of 2s and 2pz atomic orbitals of carbon and oxygen. Hence, you know that oxygen is more electronegative than carbon, and therefore the orbital energies which are lower for more electronegative oxygen atom. Lower the energy hybrid of carbons as compared to the higher energy hybrid of oxygens, and therefore the orbitals of such atoms we can compare the energy they can combine and gives bonding and antibonding molecular orbitals. But very low energy hybrid orbitals on oxygen atoms and high energy hybrid orbitals of carbon atoms, which are far apart in energy difference. When their symmetries are same, but they are non-bonding rather than combining and to use molecular orbitals. They remain as localized orbitals of oxygen and carbon respectively. It means that when the symmetries are same, but also they cannot combine, means they are as like non-bonding rather than combining, and therefore carbon and oxygens is as it is localized orbitals. From these diagrams we are clearly shows that in carbon monoxide molecules can made from these orbitals, like these non-bonding orbitals of 1s. 1s orbitals can combine and to get these molecular orbitals, right? Similarly, the 2s orbitals and 2p orbitals can combine. It is also 2s and 2p orbitals can combine. Hence, from this diagram, we clear that the one of the electrons from this 2s can combine with one of electrons from 2p as like so. We are C is here. The 2s electrons are here. One of these 2s electrons of the oxygens are here, right? So these electrons of the oxygens and those electrons of the carbon can combine and to get sigma sp orbitals, right? Similarly, these one electrons remaining, one of the electrons is going is here and remaining one of the electrons are here, right? And other electrons of those atoms which are here, and to get the new orbitals like sp of oxygen orbitals. Similarly, these remaining, which is remaining, one of the electrons are here like 2px and 2py, these two 2px and 2py is remaining these electrons. And similarly, one of the electrons is going to these carbons, so this one, and one of the electrons is coming are here to made sp orbitals of carbons, and these sp orbitals of carbons which are non-bonding electrons, right? This is a non-bonding electrons. One of the electrons they will be remaining are here, right? Which is one of the electrons going to here, so one of these electrons is remaining and these electrons are coming to 2py. So those electrons of 2py are then combined right here, and one of the electrons 2py are combined and to get pi 2px orbitals, molecular orbitals, and remaining, right, sorry, 2px, and then remaining two electrons come here and to get the 2py electrons, right? So these 2px 2py electrons, this is a sigma 2sp electrons. How will you make this? One of this, yes, sorry, one of this carbon and one of these oxygens, we can make sp orbitals of these molecules of carbon monoxides, right? How many bonding orbitals are here, right? Which is, it is a 2, 4, right? Sorry, here it is bonding molecular orbitals which are 6 electrons. So bond order can be made. These orbitals occupied by lone pairs on carbons and oxygens, and therefore electronic configuration of these molecular orbitals can write are here like sp of oxygen is 2, sigma sp 2, pi 2px2 is equal to pi 2py2 and sp2. So these electrons can made like this configuration of the molecules from these molecular orbital diagrams, which can made from these molecular orbital diagrams, the orbitals of this sp oxygens and sp carbons. These are sp oxygens and sp carbons. They will have the non-bonding electrons, each having a 2 electrons, which are non-bonding, and therefore remaining 6 electrons, like this is sigma sp2 pi 2px2 and pi 2py2, total 6 electrons. They will have bonding electrons, right? Bonding electrons, and one of these electrons therefore removed from these high energy non-bonding orbitals, like this sp2 or sp2 carbon or sp2 oxygen. From these two non-bonding electrons can remove one of these electrons, these higher energy non-bonding orbitals, and the bond order of CO plus they would be 3, exactly same as carbon monoxide molecules. So bond order of CO plus ion is 1/2 non-bonding minus anti-bonding. Non-bonding means how many electrons? 6 electrons, which is 6. This sigma sp2 pi 2px2 pi 2py2, total 6 electrons in bonding orbitals, and anti-bonding orbitals they will be 0. Bond order will be 3 for carbon monoxide molecule. And hence the electrons removed from these non-bonding orbitals, the high energy non-bonding orbitals, the bond in CO plus ion becomes very stronger. They cause shrinkage of the bond length is compared to the bond length in carbon monoxide molecules. By experimental observation, we can satisfactorily explain by these molecular orbital diagrams. When carbon monoxide acts as a ligand, therefore, it first donates the lone pair residing the sigma sp2 on the carbon and then retake back electron clouds in pi star, which is again enriched in the properties of 2p orbitals of carbon. The lone pair in non-bonding sp of oxygen on oxygen cannot be perfectly or preferably donated because it is tightly bound to the more electronegative oxygen center through an orbitals which is almost 2s in characters. Okay, thank you.